Good morning, children. Welcome back to online EVS class. And as you all know, in EVS we have completed chapter 5 water and air. होप कि आप सभी को ये चैप्टर अच्छे से क्लियर होगा और आपने इसकी रीडिंग भी अच्छे से की होगी. ओके, एंड नाउ टुडे we will have a quick recap of this chapter in points. Okay, so the first point is water is our basic need. We cannot live without water. As I explained you, water जो है वो हमारी बेसिक नीड है. जिन चीज़ों के बिना हम सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते, अलाइव नहीं रह सकते, जिनकी एब्सेंस में, वो सभी हमारी बेसिक नीड्स होती हैं. तो वाटर इज़ आवर फर्स्ट बेसिक नीड. Second, rain is the main source of water on earth. Yes, beta. All the water in lakes, rivers comes from rain. So rain is the main source of water on earth. Rain and snow on the mountains. Okay. Next, rivers, lakes, streams and ponds are water bodies that give us water. These are the water bodies. Okay. And we found water in us, they give us water. Okay, we cannot see air but can feel it when it moves. We cannot see air beta. हम एयर को देख नहीं सकते बट हम इसे फील कर सकते हैं. किस एयर को हम फील कर सकते हैं? मूविंग एयर को हम फील कर सकते हैं. मूविंग एयर इज कॉल्ड विंड और मूविंग एयर को विंड कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट and last point, air is used for breathing, moving sailboats and gliders. air किस किस चीज़ के लिए ज़रूरी है? air is needed, air is used for breathing, सांस लेने के लिए needed है, हमें ज़रूरत होती है इसकी. सेल बोट को मूव करने के लिए, ग्लाइडर्स को मूव करने के लिए, बर्निंग अ फायर, आग जलाने के लिए, प्लेइंग म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, और कोई भी म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले करने के लिए हमें एयर की ज़रूरत होती है. ओके, एंड नाउ recap is over and it's time to answer. Now we will do back exercise of the chapter. Okay beta, so exercise A, fill in the blanks using words given in the help box. See beta, here a help box in rectangle shape is given to you and some words are also there. So the words are air यानी कि हवा, drinking यानी कि पीना, well, here the meaning of well is कुआं. Okay, next word is dirty यानी कि गंदा. Then the next word is water, means aqua, पानी. Now first fill up is like food dash is our basic need. फूड की ही तरह हमारी दूसरी बेसिक नीड क्या है? It is water. So here will come water. Water is our basic need like food. Second point, second fill up, we get ground water from a, अब देखिए ऑप्शंस में से इनमें से किससे हमें ग्राउंड वाटर मिलता है? वी गेट ग्राउंड वाटर फ्रॉम अ well, WELL, well. Okay, third one, dash is filled in the tires and tubes of vehicles. क्या फिल की जाती है व्हीकल्स के टायर्स में और ट्यूब्स में? Right, air. Air is filled in the tires and tubes of vehicles. Fourth one, we need water every day for dash and bathing. We need water. Now see the options and tell me the correct word which will come here. Yeah, drinking. We need water every day for drinking and bathing. Fifth one, air gets dash when we burn dried leaves and garbage in the open. जब हम ड्राई लीव्स को बर्न करते हैं, गार्बेज को ओपन में बर्न करते हैं तो क्या होता है? Then smoke comes out. स्मोक आता है, धुआं निकलता है, which makes the air dirty. जो एयर को क्या बना देता है? डर्टी कर देता है, पोल्यूट कर देता है. So here will come word dirty. air gets dirty when we burn dried leaves and garbage in the open. Okay, beta. Now let us move to exercise B. Write T for true and F for false against each statement in the given box. Okay, beta. As you can see, left hand side some sentences are given and right hand side a box is given in which you will mention T for true and F for false. Okay. So the first one is clean water is colorless. जो क्लीन वाटर होता है, जो साफ पानी होता है, इट हैज़ नो कलर, इट इज़ कलरलेस. बेटा, in the properties of water I explained you that water is colorless. Okay, so this statement is true. Next point, water has no definite shape. It's also true. Water is shapeless. Okay, it takes the shape of the object in which it is poured. जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट में इसे डाला जाता है वाटर उसी की शेप ले लेता है. बट वाटर हैज़ नो डेफिनेट शेप. वाटर की कोई भी डेफिनेट शेप नहीं होती है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो ट्रू. राइट टी इन द सेकेंड गिवन बॉक्स. देन थर्ड पॉइंट, water has a sweet smell and taste. Beta, in the properties of water we have discussed that water has no color, no definite shape, no smell and no taste. So this statement is false. Water has no smell and taste. Write F in the given box. Fourth one, moving air is called wind. Yes, it's true, beta. Moving air is called wind and we can feel it. Okay, so write T in the given box. Fifth sentence, air is needed to keep a fire burning. Yeah, it's right, beta. Air is needed to keep a fire burning. Even to burn a fire we need air. Okay, in the absence of air we cannot burn a fire. Okay, beta. So this one is also true. Now let us move to the next page, page number 34. Exercise C. Match the columns and tell what water and air are being used for in the following pictures. You can see that left hand side some pictures are given to you and right hand side some sentences are given to you. Okay, uses of water and air. Now you have to match the columns. Okay, what water and air are being used for in the following picture. कि इन pictures में water और air का क्या use है वो हम sentences से explain करेंगे through matching. Look at the first picture. In this picture we can see a boat. Okay, so which sentence we will match this picture to boating. Yes, this is the picture of boating. Here water is needed for boating. Okay, second picture we can see the boy has a balloon and we will match B point to fourth point at right. Inflating a balloon. Balloon में हवा भरना. Inflating a balloon. Third one, here we can see a girl who is watering a plant. So now let us see the sentences. Fifth one, fifth sentence is watering plants. So match the picture to the word. D part, picture D. Look at this picture. A man is washing or bathing a buffalo. Okay, so we will match this picture to second part given it right. Bathing animals. Animals को नहलाना. Yes, animals also need water to bathe. Okay, for bathing. Next picture is of a glider. We need air to fly a glider. So E part we will match to part 1, flying a glider. Okay beta, read the sentences, look at the picture very carefully and then do the matching exercise by your own. Okay beta, now let us see exercise D. Write the names of these sources of water. These are the different sources of water. Okay, here you have to write the name of these. A part, rain, RAIN, rain. Rain is the main source of water. Now see B part, it's a river, RIVER, river. It's a source of river is a source of water and it is a water body, so RIVER, river. See the, look at the third picture, C part, it is a hand pump. It is a source of groundwater. Okay, so write HAND, hand, PUMP, pump, hand pump. We will break the word in two parts, hand and pump. HAND, hand, PUMP, pump, hand pump. D part is, look at the picture given at D part, it is a well and it is also a source of groundwater. So here we will write well, WELL, well. Now let us move to the next page, page number 35. I value life. Water is a precious natural resource required by all life forms. वाटर जो है वो एक बहुत ही प्रीशियस यानी कि कीमती नेचुरल रिसोर्स है जो हर फॉर्म में, लाइफ की हर फॉर्म में जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. ओके, लेट अस लर्न अ फ्यू वेज टू स्टॉप वेस्टफुल यूज़ ऑफ वाटर. ओके, हम किस तरह से वाटर को वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. हेयर आर फ्यू वेज mentioned to you. Okay, now let us read them. Never put your fingers in drinking water. Okay, by doing this you can make the water dirty, so you will never put your finger in drinking water. Second one, at right side, never throw water around just for fun. Beta, we should never throw water around because by doing this we are wasting water. Okay, so if you do it, then please stop doing it. Okay, next picture, look at left. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Yes, while brushing your teeth, don't leave the tap running. Okay, turn it off. इसे ऑफ करिए और जब आपको वाटर की नीड हो, then please turn it on and use the water. Okay, next, take a bucket bath instead of a shower. Yeah, whenever you will take a bath, you will take a bucket bath. Okay, you will use limited water. If you are using a shower, if you are taking shower bath, then you are wasting more water. Okay, next one, always store water in a clean container. Beta, we should always drink clean water, so we should store drinking water in a clean container. जो भी water हम store कर रहे हैं, that should be stored in a clean container. उसे clean container में store करें. Now see, there is a activity corner for you. Color the activity that makes the air dirty with red color. ओके, जो उस एक्टिविटी को रेड कलर से कलर करना है जिसमें एयर को डर्टी होता हुआ दिखाया जा रहा है. एंड दैट विच मेक्स द एयर क्लीन विद ग्रीन कलर, और जो एक्टिविटी करने से एयर क्लीन होती है उसे आपने ग्रीन कलर से कलर करना है. नाउ लेट अस सी द पिक्चर. इन दिस पिक्चर, लुक एट राइट. इन हेयर some two kids are burning crackers. They are bursting crackers, and bursting crackers pollute the air. Okay, smoke release out of the crackers which makes the air dirty. Okay, so this activity will be colored with a red color. And now look at left. Here we can see a girl who is planting a plant. Okay, and beta, Plants make the air clean. Plants fresh the air. Okay, so this activity will be colored with green color. Okay beta, do this very carefully. I have discussed all the activities with you. Now it's your turn to do book work. Okay, and please do it neatly and beautifully. Okay beta, thank you and bye bye.